So you want to invest on the go? Does Betterment have an app? Ever dreamed of managing your investments while waiting in line for coffee? Maybe you'd like to check your portfolio performance during your lunch break or quickly adjust your contribution settings on the bus ride home. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, and that applies to our finances too. This is especially true for millennials and Gen Z, who are increasingly turning to robo-advisors like Betterment. These automated investment platforms offer a low-cost, hands-off approach to investing, perfect for busy individuals or those new to the stock market. But what if you want to stay connected to your investments, even when you're on the go? That's where a mobile app comes in. Having a user-friendly app allows you to easily monitor your portfolio, make adjustments, and stay informed about your financial future, all from the palm of your hand. So, the big question, does Betterment have an app? The answer, absolutely. Betterment boasts a highly rated mobile app available for both iOS and Android devices. This app puts the power of investing right at your fingertips, allowing you to track your progress, see your overall portfolio performance, including individual account balances and asset allocation. Manage your goals, keep tabs on how your investments are tracking towards your various financial objectives, whether it's a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or a comfortable retirement. Deposit and withdraw funds, seamlessly add new money to your investments or withdraw funds whenever you need them. Rebalance your portfolio. Betterment allows you to automatically rebalance your investments to maintain your target asset allocation. But with the app, you can also monitor this process and make adjustments if necessary. Update your investment preferences. If your risk tolerance or financial goals change, you can easily adjust your investment strategy directly through the app. Access educational resources. Betterment's app provides helpful articles and videos to keep you informed about investing and managing your finances. Benefits of using the Betterment app. Now that you know Betterment has an app, let's delve into the specific benefits it offers. Convenience. The biggest advantage is undoubtedly the ability to manage your investments anytime, anywhere. No more logging onto a desktop computer. The app empowers you to take control of your financial future on the go. Simplicity. Betterment's app is known for its user-friendly interface. Even if you're a complete investing novice, the app's intuitive design makes it easy to navigate and understand your financial situation. Security. Betterment prioritizes your security. Their app uses industry-standard encryption protocols to safeguard your sensitive information. Final thoughts. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, having a mobile app for your investments can be a game changer. Betterment's app empowers you to stay informed, make adjustments, and feel confident about your financial future, all without being chained to your computer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.